USARPAC Site Survey Team bumisita sa 9ID, Spear Division na piling lokasyon sa gaganaping Salaknib Balikatan sa susunod na taon. Yan ang balitang hatid ni Christine Atole.
First time here in the base. The facilities look very good. Compared to some of the facilities I've been to, I think it's on par with what we've seen before, and I'm really excited to get our soldiers in here and training with your soldiers.
Ito ang initial assessment ng USARPAC survey team sa naging pagbisita sa impilan ng 9th ID na siyang gagawing base sa Nakatakdang Salaknib 2026 na unang beses na gagawin sa bahagi ng Southern Luzon ng Pilipinas.
We partner with the Philippines Army and we conduct exercises here annually, Salaknib and Balikatan. So the purpose of my visit is we are looking to partner with 9th ID next year for Salaknib 2026, bring in some soldiers to do some interoperability training and bilateral training with the 9th Infantry Division soldiers, and then involve them in Salaknib for the first time in a long time, I believe. We were trying to locate divisions in the southern Philippines that we haven't trained with before. Historically, our training has been with 7th Infantry Division and 5th Infantry Division, but the Philippine Army plan is to start moving the exercise south. And so as we did our analysis, looking at 9th Infantry Division as our first point south of Luzon as a great starting point to start expanding the exercise.
Ang Salaknib ay taunang bilateral military exercise na isinasagawa sa pagitan ng United States Army Pacific at ng Philippine Army na may layuning palakasin ang kanilang ugnayan at interoperability. Kabilang sa mga aktibidad na nakatakdang gawin ay ang live fire exercises, humanitarian assistance and disaster response, engineer civic action projects, command post exercises, at joint interoperability training.
I think this is important to the Philippines as they want it to be. The U.S. Army and the U.S. Army Pacific is committed to the protection of Luzon and protection of the Philippines and the Philippines people. So as much as they will allow us to come and train with them and expand and show the gratitude that we've been showing up in Luzon, I think that's the biggest we're going to be able to get out of the training here. It is always camaraderie and hope, right? We want to train together. We train together to prepare for anything in the future, but we hope that we never have to do it.
Tiniyak naman ng pamunuan ng 9th ID ang kahandaan ng Spear Troopers na sasabak sa nasabing pagsasanay. Gayon din ang kapasidad ng dibisyon sa pag-cater ng mga Amerikanong sundalo na dadayo sa riyon. Ang Salaknib ay kadalasang isinasagawa ilang buwan bago ang balikatan. Kapayapaan para sa lahat. Christine Atole, Spear News.